Question 29. The diagram shows two shapes on the coordinate grid. Shape A is transformed to form shape B. This is shape A, this is shape B, and this is the grid. The question: describe the transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. At this level you have four types of transformation. You have reflection, you have translation, you have rotation, and you have enlargement. The question is talking about the transformation of A onto B. If you look at it, you see that shape A is smaller than shape B, or shape B is bigger than shape A. Therefore, of the transformation, this is enlargement. So transforming shape A onto shape B is enlargement. But that's not all. Next, we can talk about the scale of enlargement, comparing corresponding sides of both triangles. Now, this is the vertical side of A and this is the vertical side of B. We can either use our ruler to measure the length of this vertical side of A and the length of this vertical side of B, or since it's vertical, you can use grid lines. This is where the vertical part of A starts from. Then we count the horizontal grid lines to get to the end of A here. So from here we count 1, 2, 3. We've counted 3 horizontal grid lines to get to the vertical end of A. Let's count for B. This is the beginning of the vertical side of B. This is the end of it. We count from here. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for triangle A, we have 3 horizontal grid lines. For triangle B, we have 6 horizontal grid lines. And A is increasing to form B. And to know the increase is not by addition, it's by multiplication. So we'll consider what we're going to multiply by 3 to give us 6. We know it's 2. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. So the scale factor of enlargement of triangle A onto triangle B is 2. So we know its enlargement on a scale factor of 2. Lastly, we need the center of enlargement, the point from which A is enlarged onto B. To get that, you take corresponding points on triangle A and triangle B and draw a line through them in this direction. For 2 corresponding points, you can take these 2 points first. That is, this vertex point for point B, which is corresponding to this vertex point for point A, and draw a line through them as long as possible on the grid. As second point, you can take this vertex point on point B and also this vertex point on point A and also draw a line through them and see where it meets the initial line you drew. The point where they meet is the center of enlargement. You can also choose to take this vertex point of B and this vertex point of A and draw a line through them. This third line will meet the other 2 lines at the point where the 2 lines meet. So you can use any 2 corresponding vertex points and draw 1 line each through them, and where the lines meet is the center of enlargement. So let's use our ruler to do that. Let's join these 2 corresponding vertex points for A and B first. We have the thin line that runs through 2 corresponding vertex points on triangle B and triangle A. If you're using your pencil, you make sure the line is thin by not applying too much pressure on the pencil. Let's join these 2 corresponding points and see where the line through them meets with the initial line. We draw the line. Both lines meet at this point where x is 3 and y is 4. So this is the center of enlargement. The center of enlargement is x is 3, y is 4. If you also draw a line through these 2 vertex points, the line will meet these other 2 lines at this point. Let's draw the line to confirm. See, we have them all meet at this point. To answer the question correctly, you say its enlargement on a scale factor of 2 about center x is 3, y is 4. Hope you understand.